This guide offers top 5 methods to navigate this digital conundrum effectively. So, if you want to recover your deleted Instagram messages on Android curiously, fret not, help is at hand. Number 1. How to recover deleted Instagram messages on Android via notification history. Go to Settings, Notifications. Tap on Notification History. Turn on Use Notification History to track deleted Instagram messages. Number 2. How to see deleted messages on Instagram Android via Instagram Data. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the profile icon, your activity. Select Download Your Information and request a download. Click Download. Enter your password. View the downloaded messages. Number 3. How to recover deleted Instagram direct messages by asking senders for messages. Open Instagram and log in. Go to the Profile tab, then tap the search icon. Search for the person, then select Message. Politely ask for a copy of your messages, requesting a screenshot or copy and paste. Number 4. How to retrieve deleted Instagram messages via Facebook account. Open your browser and go to Facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account. Go to your inbox and click the Instagram Direct icon on the left to access deleted messages. Number 5. How to see deleted direct messages on Instagram. With third-party app, you can recover deleted Instagram messages using third-party data recovery apps found in app stores. These apps scan for deleted files still on your device, retrieving and reassembling them.